and this is once again an eMite Life Hacks video. Welcome back. And for this video, I would want to show you how to configure your cube reports further by adding data labels and legends. So as you can see on my page here, I have a cube report, or this chart that you see. And as you hover onto the data points, you see this tooltip, or basically giving you the information about that particular measure or your data point. So we can go ahead and change the behavior of your cube report. Instead of having a tooltip, which is the default setting that's enabled, we would want to hide the tooltip, and you would want to have data labels instead. And since you also have multiple measures selected, it would be good to have some legends enabled, just so there would be kind of a guide to show you what these colors mean. So in order for us to achieve that setting, it's very functional and would also add some aesthetics to your cube report. So let's just go over and hover onto the header of your cube report. You will see this chart icon for change type. So this is also where you can change the type of your cube report from a visual standpoint. By default, it would take the column chart type of visual, and you can go ahead and change that to a different chart. So let's say instead of just a plain column, I would want it to be in 3D column. So I'll go ahead and select that. And for us to be able to achieve the legends and the data label settings, I would want to go to the Style tab over here. And this is where you can go ahead and enable your legends, which I will do. And instead of having the default tooltip, as you can see here, I can go ahead and just put a check mark to hide it. And instead, I'll enable the data labels. All right, so as you can see in the background, you would now see some data labels in your chart. So as soon as I click on OK, this is how your chart would look like now. So again, from an aesthetic setting, it looks neater, or if you just want to take out the data labels and just have the tooltip back, you can also take that route. But what I really like to highlight would also be the legends, as it's not just a guide on what the colors mean, but it would also be a filter. So if you just want to show, for example, percentage answered for your chart over here, you can just go ahead and click those measures, and automatically your chart would update, just showing you that particular metric. And you can just bring them back anytime you want by just clicking the rated buttons as well of the legends. All right, so there you have it. I hope that helped and would give you some more ideas on how you can configure your cube report specifically, and adding legends and data labels. All right, so again, thank you for your time, and we'll be back for more tips and tricks here on eMite Life Hacks.